To Maths Grade 3. I am Mrs. Aparna Joshi. Today's our topic is combined operations. Combined operation means what? Two or more operations. That is plus, minus, multiply or divide. Addition, subtraction, multiply or divide. Whenever is given in one question, one sum, that is called as a combined operation. So for solving combined operation, first of all we have to learn BODMAS. What is BODMAS? That we will see. So BODMAS, B means bracket, O means off. Bracket off, we have to bracket off the bracket first. Then D for divide, M for multiply, A for addition and S for subtraction. So this BODMAS rule we are going to see in our next class. Or next classes we will see this. So for our standard or our grade, here only bracket off, that is use of bracket is there only. Means we have to solve bracket first. Use of bracket is given in this standard to us. So let us see what is the use of bracket means. Quantities enclosed within the bracket. Whatever quantities means numbers are given in bracket, that is numbers or operations given in bracket, plus or minus, are operated or solved always first. We have to solve always it is and then we have to solve the next operation, that is bracket off. That is only called as a bracket off or use of bracket. When we will solve example, we will understand this rule properly. So let us start solving example. So our first example is, we will read this example first. Our first example is, in bracket they have given us 4643 minus 388, and outside the bracket they have given us plus 1900. As per our rule here, addition and subtraction both operations are there. That is only called as a combined operation. So as per our rule of addition and subtraction, we will arrange the numbers in their proper places first. So first number is 4643. As this operation or this sum is given us horizontally, it is possible for some student to solve it horizontally, but some student they can't. To avoid the mistake, we are going to arrange these numbers vertically. So first number is 4643 minus 388. One number is of 4 digit, so we arranged it. One number is of 3 digit, so that also we arranged it at its proper place. Now let us solve. We have to subtract it. As per our rule, always start from ones place. So 3 minus 8 we can't. So let us take borrow from tens column. So it will be 3 in tens column and 1 will be given to ones column. So 13 minus 8. Students, whenever we are doing subtraction, we have to draw lines and cut some lines. With help of lines also we can do, on our fingers also we can do. Otherwise, easy method is, after 8 we can count till 13. So after 8, let us start counting. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many lines we got? 5 lines. So this is our answer, 5. So here let us go to tens column. In tens column 3 is there. 3 minus 8. So again we can't do it. Let us take borrow from hundreds column. So in hundreds column there will be 5 and 1 will be given to tens column. So once again 13 minus 8 is there. So as per our easy method we will do, count after 8 till 13 and we will get answer 5. So 5 minus 3 we have to do. So 5 minus 3, once again we can count after 3 till 5. We will get answer 2. So nothing is there to count, nothing is there to subtract from 4. So 4 minus nothing means we will write here 4 only. Okay. Students, now whatever is given in bracket, we have arranged that and we have solved it first. Now outside the bracket given is 1000 addition 1900 plus 1900. We will do this addition now. So 5 plus 0, it will be 0 here, 5 here. So 5 plus 0, once again 5. 2 plus 9, 2 plus 9, after 9 we can count two numbers, that is 10 and 11. We got answer 11. So one we will write here and another one we will give, carry to next column. 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6. So in this way we got answer 6155. So students, in this way we got this answer. We have arranged this sum. We have solved bracket first and then outside the bracket addition is given. We have added that number. We got answer 6155. Let us go to next example. So in next example also they have given us bracket, that is 864 plus 2982. Once again we will write the place values first so that there should be no mistake. So first number is of 3 digit, 864 we will arrange, plus next number is 2982. We will arrange this number also as per their proper place values. So 4 plus 1, we have to start addition from ones place. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 8. Again you can count it on finger, you can draw lines. Otherwise after 8 count 6 fingers, that is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We got answer 14. So 4 we will write here and 1 we will give, carry to next column, same as we have done. After 9 we will count our 8 fingers or 8 lines we will draw, and we will count after 8 9 we will 9 we will count 8. So 8 plus 9 it will be 17, plus 1 is 18, and 1 carry we will give to thousands column. 2 plus 1 is 3. So the in bracket addition was given and we have solved it by arranging it vertically. Now outside the bracket they have given us 3452. Now we will subtract it. Always start from ones column. 6 minus 2, that is 4. So 4 minus 5, we can't. So let us take borrow from next column. Here it will be 7 and here it will be 14. So 14 minus 5, again we will count after 5 till 14, and that is we got 9. So from 7 we have to subtract 4. So answer we will get 3. 3 minus 3, it is 0. In this way we got answer. So students, this is combined operation. Whenever two operations or more operations are given, that is called as a combined operation. So we have to solve the sum or numbers given in bracket first. So after arranging these numbers vertically, it will be easy for us to solve